Does insurance cover minor scratches on headlights? Imagine cruising down the road when suddenly you notice a tiny scratch on your headlight. You might wonder if your insurance will cover fixing it. Well, let's explore how auto insurance handles minor headlight scratches. First, it's important to understand that most standard auto insurance policies do not cover small cosmetic damages like minor scratches on headlights. These are usually considered normal, wear and tear, or routine maintenance issues. If the scratch happened from a simple incident like brushing against a bush or minor debris, it's unlikely your insurance will pay for repairs. However, if the scratch resulted from a covered event, such as a collision with another vehicle or an object like a pole, then your collision coverage might help. Collision coverage is optional and pays for damages caused by accidents involving other vehicles or objects. If your headlights were scratched during such an event, you could file a claim, but you would need to pay your deductible first. The deductible is the amount you agree to pay out of pocket before insurance covers the rest. For example, if your deductible is $100 and the repair costs less than that, it might not be worth filing a claim. On the other hand, comprehensive coverage protects against non-collision incidents like vandalism, theft, fire, hail, or falling objects. If someone intentionally damaged your headlights or they were scratched by vandalism, comprehensive coverage could cover the repair costs, again minus your deductible. Keep in mind, minor scratches often cost less to repair than your deductible, so insurance might not pay anything if the repair cost is lower. When estimating damage for a claim, insurance companies usually consider whether the damage is part of larger covered damage or just cosmetic. If the scratch is tiny and the repair cost is very low, it's often better to pay out of pocket. To make a claim, you should document the damage with photos and get repair estimates. If the repair cost is close to or less than your deductible, it may be smarter to skip the claim and fix it yourself. In summary, insurance can cover minor scratches on headlights if they happen during a covered event like a collision or vandalism, and if you have collision or comprehensive coverage. Otherwise, small cosmetic scratches are typically your responsibility to fix.